Hey! This is Joice me, and I'm back to tell you about this hair that I recently purchased. The hair is Light Yaki by a company named Joicehair, and I simply love this hair. Oh my gosh, look at the luster and the density. This is only 150 density, and it looks like it's 180 density. And ladies, check out the ends. The ends are good, right? They're good. And the inside. Oh my gosh. This is the top. And I requested clip-ins, but the hair comes with combs. I feel more comfortable with clips than combs. Ladies, if you want hair that mimics your relaxed hair or pressed hair or silk pressed hair, hot comb hair, this is the one for you, ladies. I cannot wait to get this hair installed. Once it's installed, I will come back and show you my beautiful new hair style. And one thing I love about Upart wigs, I can wear it in the middle, because sometimes I wear my hair parted in the middle and sometimes I wear it parted on the side. Parted on the side is my favorite look. But you can't go wrong, ladies. Joicehair. It's so difficult to find hair brands that sell hair texture that mimics African American hair with a much curly or coarser texture. And this is a company that I can completely say that I will shop again and again and again. This video is not sponsored. I use my own money to purchase this hair, and I'm so satisfied. And I usually wear wigs sometimes, but most wigs are a silky texture, and I wanted something to match my hair. I recently got my hair relaxed yesterday, actually, and this hair would definitely match my hair. See? Yes, ladies, you can't go wrong. Joicehair. If you're looking for hair that mimics your texture, I say, ladies, go for it. I'm going to dye this hair black because I love my hair black, and this hair comes in a natural hair color. My hair is black, natural hair color. Yes, ladies, if I were you, there's no question, no doubt, you need to try Joicehair. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.